if P is a point of line segment QR, find QP, PR, and QR. Remember, a midpoint, by definition, means it bisects something into two equal parts. So therefore, this line segment, QP, is congruent to PR. So we then have, by definition, QP is congruent or equal to PR by the definition of midpoint. So we could just quickly substitute 11x minus 8 is equal to 10x minus 1. And so this is simply substitution. Now that we have substitution, we can solve for these two segments by first solving for x. So if we subtract 10x on both sides, using the subtraction property of equality, I then have 1x minus 8 is equal to -1. And if I add 8 to both sides, using the addition property of equality, I now have x is equal to +7. So x is equal to 7 allows me then to use substitution to find what are the values of QP, which is represented by 11x minus 8. That means that QP is equal to 11 times 7 minus 8, which is equal to 77 minus 8. And 77 minus 8 is 69. So therefore, the length of QP is 69. We can also take this and figure out what is the length of PR. PR is represented by, I'll do it down here, it's probably, I'll just do it here, 10x minus 1. And so 10x, this is 10 times 7 minus 1, which is equal to 70 minus 1, which is also 69. So therefore, PR is also a length of 69. And since we found QP and we found PR, we can find now the entire segment, which is QR. QR is the length of both of these, which we say this length of 69 and this length of 69 is the entire length of the line segment denoted by QR. QR is equal to 69 plus 69. QR is equal to 138. Let's just make sure you get that. And so we were able to find, using the definition of a midpoint, what are the lengths of QP, PR, and QR.